Ever heard breathing behind a locked bathroom door? Last Tuesday, I was brushing my teeth in my apartment's tiny bathroom. It was midnight. The door was locked. I heard slow, heavy breathing from behind me. I froze. The mirror fogged up, but I wasn't breathing that hard. I turned. Nothing but the blue towel on the rack. My skin prickled. The breathing grew louder, right by my ear. I whispered, "Who's there?" No answer, just the sound. I tried to open the door. It wouldn't budge. Then I saw it. My breath didn't fog the mirror, but something else's did. What if I never left that room?